Hi, 5th grade. It's Miss Phillips. I'm going to show you how to do the Math About Me page. You should see me down in the corner of your screen, and you're seeing the assignment right here where I'm circling with my cursor. So what I'm going to do when I'm ready to do this is I'm going to click inside the boxes, and it's going to allow me to change the answers. So I'm going to do this for myself. You can do it along with me for yourself, and then whatever we don't finish together, you can go in and complete the assignment and then turn it into me. So the letters in my first name, I have 5. Letters in my last name, let me see, Phillips. I have 8 letters in my last name. I'm going to skip some of these. I'm going to do my zip code. If you live in Paducah or Lone Oak area, it's probably 42001. I'm going to scroll down a little bit so that we can see the bottom of the page here. Okay, I'm going to click right here inside this post-it to change my answer. It says round your zip code to the nearest 1,000. Well, we just said our zip code was 42001. And then I need to find the thousands place. So let's see, we've got ones, tens, hundreds. There's my thousands place. The 2 is in my thousands place. Well, there's a 0 next to it, so that 2 is going to stay the same. And then I'm going to do this next one. It says write your street number in word form and expanded form. My street number is 225. Okay, so I'm going to write that in word form, 225. If it's taking up too much room, you can highlight your text and make your font a little bit smaller so you can fit it all on there. And then expanded form would be 200 plus 20, 20 plus 5. 225 in expanded form. Okay, and then one more. We'll do one more together. This says find the sum of your birth year and your street number. So my birth year, I was born in 1983, plus my street number, we just said was 225, so I need to add those two numbers together. Okay, so 5. I'm going to grab my piece of paper here to do some math because 1983, 225, my 5 added to my 3 would be 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 9 plus 2 plus the 1 would be 12. Okay, so my sum of those two numbers would be 2,208. Okay, so your job to complete this assignment will be to fill in the rest of the boxes that I didn't show you how to do. So you have a few more to do up at the top, and then these 3 at the bottom. Remember, I did the answers for my information. So you'll have to go back through. You can use mine as examples, but you'll be filling in the information about you, not about me. See you guys later. Bye.